Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Wednesday, March 4, 2026. Here's an update on our 1967 26-foot Lyman Cruisette. It's a special day at Snake Mountain Boat Works because our 1967 26-foot Lyman Cruisette has just blasted through a major milestone. You got it. Her bottom's finished. Her new keel is in place and finished. And what comes next is dropping her down so we can lightly sand her hull sides and apply some beautiful paint to them. While we've been doing that, I'll let Rick talk to you about it. We've been sanding, cleaning, prepping all of her innards, if you'll excuse the term. Everything that was inside the boat is now outside the boat. And Rick, why don't you just take it away and tell us what you've done.
Well, I started out by, as you can see, it's all got coats on it now, but I had to take 220 and bring it down so it was flattened out so I could apply the varnish so it would stick, because if you don't, then it doesn't stick very good.
So you didn't actually use paint remover on any of this?
No, just 220 paper and the flatboard and got it down flat. And now this has got, most of it has got 4 coats.
Yep.
On it, so now I'll go through again with a flatboard and bring it down because it's been built up.
Sure.
So I can get it the rest of the way flat, and then I'll apply more coats after that to get her finished up. But we'll hang them the next time so we don't have any dust.
That hanging is a wonderful trick. We hang them up and put a couple coats of varnish on them, and they're absolutely dust-free.
Which makes a big difference.
But as you can see, there were a whole lot of innards. There's everything that's here. And if I pan across, there's everything over there.
Yeah, and over here too.
And we've got the big pieces over here. So we will now lower her, and in between varnishing, we'll flatboard sand the hull sides and get ready to apply finished coats of paint there. We're not going to strip this. This paint's really in excellent condition. It's just kind of gnarly and cranky from sitting for so long. So it'll be beautiful, lustrous, snow white when we're finished. So that's our update on our 1967 26-foot Lyman Cruisette. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.